Let me give you a short walkthrough on Partido State University's e-learning website. So I believe that you already attended the orientation and the tutorial. So let me give you some tips since I'll be handling one of your courses or subjects. So say for instance you are enrolled in macro perspective of tourism and hospitality. So you may just click or tap here. So the site is accessible using your mobile phones or your computers. So once you open the course, you will see the title. So here we have Macro Perspective of Tourism and Hospitality. Then the first section will be the announcements section. So make reading a habit because it's very important in online classes. So you will see here the welcome message, the short welcome message, and important information and reminders. Then, say for instance, now you're done reading this part, you will scroll down and you'll see activities for week 1, which covers August 16 to 20. Depending on your schedule, you have a 3 hour allotted time for this subject. So for the first activity, we have here the welcome activity. So you will see here, this is the activity title, then you have here the description. So in order for you to complete the activity, you have to click or tap on the activity title. So click or tap, then you will see here the instruction. So for instance, here it states, you may temporarily post your questions in this forum. So first you have to click or tap, add a new question like so. Then you will enter your subject and of course your concern or question. Say for instance, your subject is requirements. Okay, then you type in what are the requirements for THC1. Then don't forget to click or tap post to forum so that I'll be able to see your concern or your question. Once you're done, you can go back to week 1 activity. So you may just tap here. Then once you're done, there will be a check mark here. Okay, then you continue with the next activity. So we have here again the description. In order for you to complete the activity, you just click the activity title. So here we have let's chat here. Okay, so when you tap or click, you'll see here the instruction. So again, this is a temporary chat box. So let's chat here. Kindly state your full name and a short introduction of yourself and anything you want to say to the class. To access the chat box or the chat, we have here this section. Just click or tap. Then you will now type in your question or your name. Okay, so just a short introduction. Good morning. I am, so just indicate what was given in the instruction, then click send. So it's a live chat. So once you click send, everybody in the class will be able to see it. Okay. Then once you're done, close the window, then go back to week 1. So after that, another check mark will appear here. Then you continue with the next activity. Make sure that when you are doing the activities, you don't skip any of it. Okay, you have to follow the content so that you won't miss any activity. So next would be the class registration. So here is a link. Again, this is the description and instruction. In order for you to complete it, you have to click or tap. So when you click on this, you will be redirected to a different page. You must sign in and you will enter the class registration form. Okay, then you go back. Then again, another check mark will appear here. So aside from that, you need to access the course overview or the module for this week. Again, click or tap. Then you will see the PDF file or the PDF of the module for week 1. Here it is. Okay, so we have here the content and what you may also download this so that even if you're offline, you can read it and go back to the site if you're going to submit your activity or the requirement. Okay, again, to go back, just click or tap week 1. Then another check mark will appear here. Then you have the course outline. It shows the topics and what we're going to discuss. So click and tap, so on and so forth. Don't also forget to submit the proof of enrollment or a screenshot of your officially enrolled subjects. Again, just click or tap. Once you are done with all the activities, just check that you have a check mark, or you have completed all the check marks here. And if you have completed this, then you are done with week 1. So you will continue with the next activities for week 2. So I hope this helps, and if you have any other question or concerns, so you may just type your questions in the forum, or you may chat. Okay, so thank you and welcome to Partido State University.